This is the OMMO's GC-1067 underground metal detector. It features an LCD display and retractable aluminum rod. Inside, you got all the goodies. First of all, this is probably the carrying case. You have the operator's manual, the rods, looks like the headphones, the arm cuff, handle, okay. This looks like the display. And our shovel. And then, of course, the metal detector itself. All right, so, okay. Ah, okay. That's how that little works.
There you go.
Tighten that down, and there we go. Okay, all right.
That's pretty stable and solid.
Yeah. Aren't they clever?
3 ways to do it.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the carrying case. It's a very nice built carrying case, durable. Cool, all right. Here are the 2 batteries. Okay.
Okay. We can hit it on.
All right, so, okay, so there's that. Adjustable, good. Okay. Oh, all right. All right, let's go play with it. Okay. It comes with its own carrying case. All right. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. Okay. One of the nice things that I like about this is that it is completely adjustable for kids and adults, tall people, short people. It's got all of the adjustments. Very, very easy to do that. Make your wrist. There you go. Okay. Now, if we come over here, there's the power. All right. What are we looking for? Okay. The mode. Okay. The mode. All metal. Discover. Just that'll make it find anything. Memory. If you got something in memory for a specific metal, and then jewelry. Okay. Volume of this and the sensitivity. Okay. Usually, from what I've read, that you want to keep the sensitivity as high as you can. And then what was PP?
Pinpoint.
Pinpoint. Okay. All right. That's to give you more accuracy. Okay. All right. Now then, we're going to go. Time to get to work. All right. So we have it on discovery. Sensitivity is high, and now you want to keep it as close to the ground as you can. Make sure that you're brushing away the grass and the weeds. Not doing this. This doesn't work. Okay. Let me see here. All right. So now we got some coins. We got some. All right. Okay. Here. Okay, here. See, oop. This is showing us that it's coin. Okay. That there thinks that is a screw, which is what it is. Oh. This one thinks it's coin. Now, it can go down to what is it? 8 inches. 8 inches underground. Very easy to operate. You know, this is not your big expensive one. This is not one that you got to study for hours for. Put it together in just a couple minutes, power it up, play with it, have fun, which is what this is for. This is not here to make you rich or anything like this. This is a hobby. This is wherever that you think maybe something is buried. It comes with the shovel. It comes with the pair of. It comes with a pair of headphones if you want to wear that instead of hearing that. Okay, and have fun. All right. If you want more information, take a look at it. All right.